For today's recipe, sweet potato casserole with marshmallow topping, we'll be needing these ingredients. The first and most important ingredient in our sweet potato casserole is the sweet potatoes. I'm using canned sweet potatoes because it saves so much time on cooking, but you can use other alternatives if you wish. Our second ingredient is applesauce. You can use either sweetened or unsweetened applesauce, and usually chunky applesauce tastes better. Third ingredient is canned crushed pineapple. This adds something a little bit different to your casserole than most people are used to, and it also adds some sweetness. The fourth and final ingredient are the miniature marshmallows. Now, of course, this is what makes the casserole so sweet, and people enjoy it so much with the marshmallows on top. And with the marshmallows, you get a nice brown top, and you can layer it throughout so that you have a little bit of sweetness with every bite.